Hola clase, bienvenido a la clase de español. Me llamo Señor Dalton. If you're watching this, you are in my Spanish class. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about green screens. If you noticed, I have opened up iMovie. That's the application I'm going to use. And in iMovie, I've already created a video of Senor Gonzalez, and he is talking. And you notice he's in front of a green screen. Now, I need to crop this down to a smaller size. So if you look right above here, there's a cropping button. I'm going to select it. I'm going to select crop to fill. And I'm going to just grab the corner and drag it to where it's just him in the frame with the green screen behind him. There's no other colors or nothing else behind him to take up that space. Okay, I click somewhere else and it zoomed in for me. Now we're at the perfect size for my green screen. But I need to have a background that'll be fitting to go along with weather. If you haven't noticed, we're doing videos on weather. Okay, and so in order to do that, I ended up finding this picture right here. It's the Wyoming weather map. You know, I just found something that worked, right? And basically to download it into this program, if you notice, there's a button up here, the top left. It's the import button. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go to desktop, Wyoming weather map. I selected that one. That's the one I wanted. It's saved on my desktop already. And I'm going to import it. And so I imported it right here. Perfect. Once I have it imported and it's in my queue up here, I can just click it, drag it, and put it down there. Now, with green screens, what's going to happen is you're going to have your bottom layer or your back layer. It's going to be all the way on the bottom of your recording studio. So this green screen, this background right here, I need to go ahead and drag it to where it's at the same line as my video of Senor Gonzalez. Okay, so now it's the same line. I could then click the video of Senor Gonzalez, selected it, and I dragged it up on top. Wherever I place is where it's going to start. So I want to start it at the beginning. I want to have him in front of the green screen the entire time. Okay, then I'm going to click and drag this background so it's in line with the rest of the video of Senor Gonzalez. Now they're the same exact length. If I zoom out, I could see that. Same exact length, both of them. Okay, so I'm going to zoom back in. All right, but I still need to change the color of the green screen. We need to Chroma key it, is what it's called. So I'm going to select the video, and once I have selected the video, you'll see a drop-down menu up here, the top right. It says cutaway. I'm going to click the drop-down menu, and I'm going to select green, blue, screen. Okay, there we go. Now, once I've done that, it's zoomed in a little bit, and we're good to go. And so I could just place it right at the beginning, and I could press play and see how it goes.
Y hoy quiero hablarles sobre la temperatura.
De la semana.
Okay, let me do that part, just that part.
Okay.
And that's it. I got my video in front of my green screen, and everything worked out fine there. Perfect. If you have any questions on this, of course, myself or Senor Gonzalez, if you're in his class, we'll be able to come around and answer those questions and help you be able to make sure that your clips with your green screen are above your background and how to import those and so forth. All right? Okay. Adios.